وأمر أهلك بالصلاة واصطبر عليها لا نسألك رزقا نحن نرزقك والعاقبة للتقوى.
Allah says, وَأْمُرْ أَهْلَكَ, command your families to as-salah, to the salah, وَاصْطَبِرْ عَلَيْهَا. وَاصْطَبِرْ, this is a focused, more eloquent command towards being patient upon something. That be patient upon the salah, meaning be patient so that you do not fall prey to your nafs, to the evil of yourself that's pushing you away from salah. You have to fight yourself and make sure you remain upon salah. You have to fight yourself and make sure that the love that you have for your family does not cause you to swerve and cause you to stop making sure that they observe their salah. If they don't observe the salah, you as a father, you as a mother, you have to do everything in your capacity, because their survival lies in their prayer. The first thing that Allah will ask us about on the day of Qiyamah is our salah. If the salah stands, the zakah will stand, the fasting will stand, the hajj will stand, your kindness to your parents will stand, your other voluntary charity will stand. And if your salah doesn't stand, all these deeds will not have any potential to stand. Nothing will help you if your salah fails. As-salatu imaduddin. Salah is the pillar of this religion. It's the pillar of this religion. And by its strength do all the other pillars stand. So Allah says, وَاصْطَبِرْ عَلَيْهَا. It's going to be a challenge. You ensuring that your family gets to Jannah is going to be difficult. You have to be patient.